Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
18 वर्सां सकल भुरग्यांचे कोविड जाल्ले प्रमाण मातशें वाडत चल्लां. सिंगल डिजीट आशिल्ले 8-9% ते आतां 11-12% पावलां. सेम इज द पॅटर्न ऑल ओवर इंडिया. इवन ऑल ओवर इंडिया अंडर 20 years comprise 12% of all confirmed COVID cases as of now. So आज आमच्या कमिटीन डॉक्टर्स फ्रॉम GMC, डॉक्टर्स फ्रॉम IAP under chairmanship of our dean at directions of honorable CM and HM, we met and discussed various issues. Most important is infrastructure requirement. आम्ही assessment केले की साधारण ऑल ओवर गोवा 101 न्यूनेटल ICU युनिट्स आसा. ही वखदां एडल्ट्साक वापरतात. रेमडेसिवीर, फेविपिरावीर आनी ते टॉसिलिझुमॅब ते भुरग्यांक वापरपाक मेळना. इवन आयवरमॅक्टीन, डॉक्सिसायक्लीन तांकां वापरपाक मेळना. सो भुरग्यांचो ट्रिटमेंट वेगळो आसा. जे आवय आसा जाची भुरगीं 2 वर्सां परस ल्हान आसा तांचे बर्थ सर्टिफिकेटचेर आमकां कळटलें. जे लॅक्टेटिंग मदर्स तांकां प्रायोरिटीन कन्सिडर करचें म्हणून इन द 18 to 44 एज ग्रूप कित्याक तांचे पासून भुरग्यांक जावं येना. आनी दुसरें 18 to 44 भितरूय बी थोड्यांक डायबिटीज आसा, अल्कोहोलीक लिवर डिजीज आसा, रिनल फेलियर आसा, हार्ट डिजीज आसा, तांकां बी कोविडाचे कॉम्प्लिकेशन चड जावंक शकता. सो वी हॅव रिक्वेस्टेड द डिरेक्टरेट ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसीस की 2 ग्रुपाक तुमी वॅक्सिनेशन प्रायोरिटीचेच दिवचें. तांचेर जर भर दिलो वॅक्सिन दिवपाक जाल्यार डेथ रेट आनी देंवतली.
We know that COVID also can manifest with other symptomatology, like even diarrhea, vomiting. They can come with rash. They can come with some skin lesions. So any child that is sick with all these things should really approach the doctors.
We have made a few recommendations and suggestions how to ramp it up. Secondly, we have made particular focus on home monitoring, where that is going to be the crux of the management of all children if and when the wave, or even if despite the wave, whatever situation is there, it is the age group where home monitoring becomes very important.
Third wave mostly predicted by epidemiologists is in month of September. September.
Any recommendation for any reopening of the schools?
This is prediction, huh? This is, don't take it as a
No,
final.
but